Hello, I'm Graham from Craiglin. That's me in the picture. I went out playing with the monkey bike, testing a different camera position just to see how it worked. Here's 3 things I saw that were quite interesting. Not very interesting, but quite interesting. Number 1, as you're sitting along a little tiny single track road in the middle of some high up moors, the last thing you expect to find is a logging lorry. Even better than that is 2 logging lorries. Yes, folks, that was my first find of the day. Marvellous. Second spot of the day was this bit of LLE's heavy haulage. I like to slip one in whenever I can. I'm sure you'll find this massive beast most imposing. Don't know what it is. Transformer or something, I think. Maybe going down to Trouse. Whatever it is, it's a big one. And we do like big ones, don't we? Oh, that's me having a quick look. Finally, I'll leave you to make up your own jokes about what I saw next. There you go. You don't see that every day. Well, I don't when I'm sort of in London anyway. Anyway, there you go. 3 things what I saw on my trip. Hope you found it fun. Bye.